Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Euclid geometry, let us discuss about the introduction of the Euclid geometry. The word geometry comes from the Greek words geo, meaning the earth, and metrein, meaning the measure. Euclid's summarized statement and definitions. A point has no part. A line is breadthless length. The ends of a line are points. A straight line evenly with points on itself. A surface has length and breadth only. The edges of surface are lines. A plane surface evenly with the straight lines on itself. Axioms and postulates. Some assumed properties which are not to be proved. These assumptions are actually obvious universal truths. Axioms. Axioms were assumptions used throughout mathematics and not specifically linked to geometry. For example, the things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. For example, if an area of the triangle equals to the area of rectangle and the area of rectangle equals to the square, then the area of triangle is also equal to the area of the square. Like this, other statements also there. Axiom 5.1. Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Look at this figure. The points are P and Q. The only one line that passes through P also passes through Q. That is the line PQ. Here there is no chance to draw a line through P and Q. The only one line is PQ is possible. Euclid's 5 postulates. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other points. Means starting point and end point must be there. A terminated line can be produced infinitely. Means suppose already one line is there, we can extend that line from both end of the line. A circle can be drawn with any center with any radius. All right angles are equal to one another. Fifth one, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side, if it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced infinitely, meet on the side on which the angles are less than two right angles. Suppose consider two lines, two straight lines. Here one more straight line fall on this straight line, like here put L, this M, this line is N. Now the interior angle of one side, suppose this angle and this angle, name it 1 and 2. Here angle 1 plus angle 2 is lesser than 90 degree, 180 degrees. Then from that side, the green lines are extended left side and they might meet somewhere else of the extension. Here at same time in right side of that line L, it never meet. Consistent system of axioms. A system of axiom is called consistent if it is impossible to deduce from these axioms a statement that contradicts any axiom or previously proved statements. So when any system of axioms is given, it needs to be ensured that the system is consistent. Next one, theorems are propositions. The statement that were proved is called theorems or propositions. Means the statement, there should be a proof for that statement, then we can say that statement is theorems or propositions. Next one, Playfair's axiom. It is stated that for every line L and for every point P not lying on L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L. Here, suppose consider a point P. Here line L is there. There is a unique line which passes through the point P which is parallel to L. Suppose the name it A and B, the line AB. There is only one line through point P which is parallel to L, that is called the unique line AB, which is parallel to L. Non-Euclidean geometry. In Euclidean geometry, the lines are straight. Now, the geometry of the universe we lie in has been shown to be non-Euclidean geometry and is called spherical geometry. In spherical geometry, lines are not straight. They are parts of the great circles obtained by intersection of sphere and a planes passing through the center of the sphere.